Hello everyone, I am Poonam Rani, PhD scholar at Carbon Laboratory, IIT Hyderabad. I am working on lithium sulfur battery. Today I am going to present this work titled as Pyrolyzed Pencil Graphite Coated Cellulose Paper as an Interlayer, an Effective Approach for High Performance Lithium Sulfur Battery. Lithium sulfur battery has high energy density than lithium ion battery because of theoretical capacity of sulfur, that is 1675 mAh per gram. This is the schematic for lithium sulfur battery, sulfur as cathode, lithium as anode and separator. But achieving good capacity from lithium sulfur battery is not that easy because of some problem associated with it, that is poor conductivity of sulfur, polysulfide dissolution into the electrolyte and some other problem associated with the anode also. So to resolve this problem, we are using one strategy, that is freestanding interlayer that we have placed between cathode and separator. So this is our approach where we used cellulose paper coated with different grade of pencil and pyrolyzed at 900 degrees Celsius and used as interlayer. To see the effect of pencil coating, we have also pyrolyzed cellulose paper directly at 900 degrees Celsius and again used as interlayer in between the separator and sulfur cathode. We chose pencil graphite because of its composition, that is graphite and clay, and this composition varies with the pencil grade. We chose three different pencil grade, that is 4B, HB and 5H. So powder of these pencil graphite dispersed into the polysulfide solution and we observe after 24 hours we got the transparent solution which shows the all the polysulfide is absorbed by the pencil graphite powder. Further, we have tested the interlayer and performed the Raman spectra as well as initial electrochemical testing. From here, we can see HB is performing well as compared to 4B and 5H. So further, we have continued our studies with HB pencil. These are the FASM and TEM images of interlayer. This is the pencil coated side of interlayer which faces the cathode side, and this is the back side of the interlayer which faces the separator. So from EDEX also we can see the presence of silica into the interlayer, and from the TEM also we confirm that there is presence of graphite sheet and silica particles over cellulose paper. So further we have tested these cells for electrochemistry. We have prepared three cell, one without interlayer, second pyrolyzed cellulose paper as interlayer, and third pyrolyzed HB coated cellulose paper as interlayer. So we have performed cyclic voltammetry as well as read capability with these cells. Also we have performed the cyclic stability. So from here we can see pyrolyzed HB coated cellulose paper is giving good capacity throughout at different current density, as well as when we have tested this same cell for a long cycle period, that is 350 cycles, it is giving around 900 mAh per gram capacity at 1 amp per gram current density, so which is remarkable. So to conclude this work, where we have fabricated pencil coated cellulose paper as interlayer using three different grades of pencil, and from these three grades HB is performing well because of the optimum ratio of graphite and silica present in HB grade of the pencil, and graphite and silica are well-known material in a lithium sulfur battery, as graphite is provides good conductivity and silica is known for the polysulfide trapping. So from this strategy we can achieve high performance from the lithium sulfur battery. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive.